ship owner. One of the biggest advantages of very fast companies is to adapt to new changes. Today the changes are called the database and AI. Now this video is made by a robot, so you can really see how fast we're adapting today, because a lot of ship owners are thinking, oh well, I cross my fingers that the Iran war is going to be finished so that I can have European crews, because I don't have ASEAN crew. Well, you can also have Africa crew, or you can have America crew. Yeah, how can you adapt fast tools that, oh well, urgently I need this rank? It could be an electrician, it could be a cook, a pumpman. You see, this is the high risk captain bunker. I could have a chief engineer need, a second engineer need, I could have a DP, anchor handling, I could have these very specific needs. But what if I do really adapt to this new AI and data, plus take advantage of ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, employ local crew? There are huge amounts of Europeans that did not get the opportunity to get very good, responsible ship owners fleets today, because many really sold the management business and put ASEANs here and there everywhere. And now they cannot get any. So what is the solution? The solution is, why don't we adapt ship owner, give us a fleet of 300, 400 ships, and we try to put these other nationalities that would have a huge ESG impact, goodwill for your balances. Long-term ship owner, yes, because perhaps some have built these pyramids of training and this is in the wrong place. And perhaps we can have today, for example, Ukraine joining European Union. Perhaps these politicians are going to do one thing one day. It could be just big news, you know. Once in every 100 years they do something positive. They are not going to cut taxes and cut themselves and make artificial waves. So we have long-term employment of ecology, environment, and have these really coral reefs for life of fish. And why not we do this and adapt much faster, the ship owner, instead of waiting to have this policy of ratings from this country, tops from this country? Why don't you adapt today? Because these emissions and the prices of the planes are going to go high, and inflation too. Why not invest? The local crew employ a lot of Spanish, European, African, and American. Today, contact us. Thank you. Bye.